What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Now, prices inside determination zone, or you can call it a rejection box. Now, I'm going to go through Nemex and Ovanda in a second. So we are aeoncapital.com and the price is inside a rejection box. Now, this is not a very strong area and a very strong rejection box, and the price might fail from it and go down to the lower level of this green zone. And that is even preferable, because even if the price forms a double bottom here, there is no divergence, just simple double bottom at the upper level, and that is why it's going to be very weak entry. I might not take it, but if you want to take it, it's totally up to you with a very low risk. It's going to be valid, but as you can see, we have first bottom, push up, and then if the price, let's say this candle closes back up, leaves the wick, that is totally fine. But if the candle closes below, in that case, the double bottom pattern will become invalid. In that case, I might look for engulfing candle within this green zone, which is right here, these numbers in blue. So if this candle goes back up and turns to be red, and then we have a green engulfing candle, that is a buy signal. Again, it's going to be very weak buy signal. So keep an eye on this rejection zone and this green zone as well for your possible buy entries, but with condition. Again, the strongest entry will happen if the price, let's say, go into oversold with bullish engulfer or double bottom. In that case, we are good to go long. In the meanwhile, we are good to look for the pullback bearish entry with bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA if there is no buy condition. If there's a buy condition, I'm just going to go for the scalp, not for the very bigger targets. So expecting a bounce if we have a double bottom or if we have a good condition. I want to show you a condition right here. As you can see, this bullish engulfer that happens right at the lower level, something I want to see in this zone as well to take my entry condition. Either aggressive entry or with a double bottom entry condition. So keep an eye and let's see how this closes and look for your entries accordingly. Here on Nemex, we're getting a rejection here, and if you have a next candle as a bullish engulfer, in that case we have a minor buy signal. Again, that's going to be some scalp, not a very strong push up. I'm expecting it can push up, but I'm not expecting, since it is not a very good level. I want to see a price to come down in the lower level, forms a condition here as an engulfer with the oversold, that will become a stronger signal. But if that goes back up as a red, and then we have a green engulfer, or if we have a green strong pin bar, that would be a signal that price is going to bounce up from a little, good for 1 ATR or 2 ATR for your take profit. So keep an eye. A level of support, a minor support from where we can see some bounce, then it might falls back down. Now I also want to show you on a daily time frame, we are still above 50 EMA, not completely closed. If that turns out to be a red candle, that is fine. But if, let's say, the next candle, a daily candle, goes back above, close as a bullish engulfer, it is still a buy signal on a daily time frame. So keep an eye on a daily candle here on Nemex as well for your entry condition on daily time frame. On Ovanda, we are still inside the zone, still not broken below, but the price also about to hit the level of support below, which is right here. I've already mentioned the support in my weekends video that was uploaded on Sunday. Keep an eye on that video to look for the condition which I've mentioned, which is my head and shoulder pattern as well. Keep an eye on that pattern if you're brand new on this channel, and I'll also look for that pattern on higher time frame. On Ovanda, we have one candle here. Let's see how this closes. I'll keep you guys informed if there is any change of trend. For now, on a smaller time frame, I'll still look for my pullback entry bearish below 50 EMA and keep on taking short. If there is no entry condition here, only sell trades. If there is an entry condition like engulfers or double bottom within this green zone, I will go long from here. Just expect a bounce, then a fall. Make sure you take your profits as well, because not taking your profits is as risky as not placing your stop loss. Next up, we have gold. Gold is pushing up slightly, and I'm still looking at the level above, which is right here, for the price to form a double top. So that is all I'm looking at. There is no entry condition here on gold on 4 hour, but expect a push up out of gold till this first stop, from where if we have a rejection, I'm going to go short term only, exit here and look for my buy trades above 50 EMA. So just a scalp if we have a double top rejection with a bearish engulfer or a 382 bearish candle. For now, I'm expecting a push up from here till this first top. It might break above the first top. If that happens, if the price close above the first top, in that case, we have a confirmation that price is going to push up, and then I won't be looking for sell trades from this area. I will just look for the pullback and a bullish engulfer, which is my pullback entry bullish, and ride along with the trend. So not selling as long as we are above 50 EMA. We are now in a level of major trend continuation support that was sent to my members numbers yesterday. So 32.54 goes to 32.98. That is a new level of trend continuation support zone. So all I'm looking at a possible condition where which is my either a double bottom. Here on silver, price nicely bounced up from a level of trend continuation support that was clearly mentioned. Now this bearish engulfer has not played out, but we were prepared for buy trade, and this was a zone that was sent to my members as well. So that was a good trade if you were prepared with this green candle right here. Now what to expect from here? As we have a nice bounce from silver, we are above 50 and 20 EMA. We are getting a cross as well. Now at this point, we are just looking for the pullback and a pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA and keep on taking longs till the price gets to the level above, which is right here, these numbers in blue, from where we are just looking for sell trades with bearish engulfer or double top entry condition. So that is all I'm looking at, just buying silver, but with the pullback. That is all. Now we have a nice entry right here. If you are my student, you know what entry is that. If you have a pullback back to this neckline right here and price forms an engulfer or a pin bar, that is your entry number 2 as well if you want to enter with that condition. So keep an eye. Only buying silver as now we are above 50 and 20 EMA and we're getting a cross here as well. Finally, we have crude oil. Crude oil is nicely pushing up, hitting the targets, of course. Like I mentioned yesterday, a nice trade we had here on crude oil. All I'm expecting just some more pullback to this anchor level or above 50 EMA. Bullish engulfer exactly the entry we took yesterday. I've shown you my live account yesterday. If you have not seen that video, feel free to check that out. And the exact same condition I want to see above 50 EMA. If that happens, I'm going to go long. Nice trending market. Keep on buying till the level of minor resistance, which is right here. 70.09 goes up to 70.41. From where we can see some sort of pullback and a continuation towards the upside. So looking at this bearish candle, I'm expecting a deep pullback, could be above 50 or 20 EMA. Then bullish engulfer is my entry to go long again. And if you've entered this trade and exit, that was nice. 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio has been hit easily. Managing your trade, it is a level right here. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.